What if one story could ruin your entire life? 20 years ago, Mr. X was a respected businessman, a devoted husband, a father of two. But then, one accusation changed everything. Though never found guilty, the media had already painted him as the villain. His reputation was destroyed. Years later, the truth came out. Mr. X was innocent, but the damage was permanent. Every time someone searched his name, the same outdated, damaging stories appeared. Investors backed off. Jobs never came. Friends disappeared. That's when Mr. X found SayKoreanLineReputation.com. Our team worked with precision, removing outdated articles, suppressing negative links, and rebuilding his online presence. Today, Mr. X has a fresh start. No more false labels, just the truth. Visible again. Don't let the internet define you by your past. Visit SayKoreanLineReputation.com. Because your name deserves the truth. Free quote. Fast results. 100% confidential.